Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Manas. So friends, in the previous video we just set up the snack bar. So in this video we just move on to the home banner section. So friends, if you like our video, please press the like button and also hit the subscribe button as well. So if you want to help us by any chance, you can also check out this support us link, and the link is also provided in the description box. You can also go and check out that link as well. So in the previous video we just set up this. So now we just will set up that home banner section. So I will create firstly this sidebar and then moving to the view files. So inside the components sidebar we have user profile, e-commerce dashboard, UI elements. So in place of widget I will write home banner, and href should be url admin slash home underscore banner. Yes, so in the elements are related to this. Simply home banner, creating the route admin.php, but we need to create a controller as well. So just the new terminal php artisan make controller. So our controller should be inside, I think, admin slash home banner, right? So it should be like this, admin slash home banner. Hit enter. Yes, it's successfully created. So I just copy this. It should be get part home underscore banner, home banner. Hit enter and it will automatically import that line into the header section. So inside this we have we should call an index part, home banner index, public function home public function should be index. This now before calling to the view file, we'll create a basic view file with the dynamically command. So what does that means? Before this, just going to the website and search it over here, custom view file, dynamic, create dynamic view file, this one. So why I will use this? Because in the other files, when we are building other files, other view files, so it will help us a little bit with the time. Actually it is a little time consuming, as we will create two new files, setting up the code. So I will just add on the basic code over here. So copy this and into the terminal, php addition make command view file. So where it actually do commands, just inside console, inside commands, create view file. Here we have view file over here, right? And now this is our make view file, make view, but we'll set up this app create view file. Okay, copy this, paste it over here. Right, so its name should be admin data table, because we are setting firstly data table, then our form should be set up. So I'm setting up first data table. So admin data table, it should be name. After that, view name resources slash views. Okay, our views should be inside that admin panel, admin, and after that the folder name and directory. So I will write it admin slash. So what should be the view name? It should be call it there, and if path is already yes. So now the main part is that we'll set up that HTML code as well. So this is not the code that we should call. I will remove this. The main code that we should I will create an empty file and going to the profile section. Yes. So copy just this. Save the, remove this. Yes, this one. Paste it over here, and after that add the red and section. So this is the dummy part that we already we need to create the view file first initial at the initial state. So after that here we have this. Okay, so now I will just see where we have that HTML part. This is our admin panel, main rocker, right, vertical. Just drag and drop any file because we need a data table. This one, copy Excel, this one data table we need over here, and this is the table data table.html. Table data table, this one. Import this into the VS Code. And there is one more thing, that the CSS and JS, I think that should be differently, these are also differently available in every file, like special CSS and JS for the particular file. Like if we have a data table, then is CSS and JS should be some part of that should be different. So we also import that CSS and JS after comparing. So basically this is the plugin. Yes, this data table bootstrap mini, this file. Firstly we need to copy this, Control 1, and also JS part as well. If we move to the down, this data table JS part, Control 2, and we also need this script from this to this, Control 3. This is the basic setup. So moving towards the components, firstly header, where we have plugins. See this, we don't have any data table CSS over here, so I will just import that. Asset, this and this. Now moving towards the footer part, click on it. Here we have plugins, but still we don't have data table plugin over here, so I will also import that plugin. See, this is the basic setup that we need at the initial stage, as it is a little bit time consuming, but after we don't need to set up these things, we just move it smoothly. In the so I will paste it over here. So save this, and where yeah, this end. Data table import. Any special CSS and JS. I think when we are creating the profile, this one. So we also need a part from this, like from this to this. Control C. Paste it over here. Let me first format it so that it already completed all the divs part. So now so we have here table, toggle table, and breadcrumbs inside ms auto after the single div. So this auto after this div will set up the table part. Data table example, data table import, yes, this one. From this to this. I think we have one more div tag. Yes, from this to this OT, control copy it, paste it over here, and remove and I will remove that unwanted TRs, like we don't need enough data. I'll just need one over here, so I'll remove the rest of the table rows. So I'll keep one end over here. Yes, format document, yes. So this is the basic data import part that we need. Control A, Control C, and yes, after content, paste it over here, save it. What is the error? Okay, remove this with this, also this. Yes, why this happened? Basically this is a single quote and this is a double quote. So when we write a single quote inside a single quote, so it means that the data has been ended, so that's why it shows error. So we'll just remove this single quote with the double quote. So now I'll just create that table by a command. So what is our command? Our command is php addition make admin data table and the path of the table. So if we look into the path, it path should be php artisan make admin data table. So the path should be home banner slash home banner. Hit enter. So it will create that path admin slash home banner slash home banner.blade.php. So here it comes, and now the main thing is it automatically put the data into it. So this is the main thing that we have to set up at the initial stage. So in the next video we'll just set up that data part as well and creating the model. So if you like the video, please do like the video and do subscribe our channel. If you want to support us, the link is in the description box. Thank you.